In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a Kindle Vella account so you can start publishing serialized stories on Amazon. Let's get started. Step 1 is to sign up for Kindle Direct Publishing, which is the KDP. Go to the kdp.amazon.com and then click on Sign In if you already have an Amazon account, or just simply sign up to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Step 2 is to set up your KDP account. After signing, just simply go to the account settings and enter author name, banking information, and tax informations. Step 2 is to save your settings. Step 3 is to access Kindle Vella. From the KDP dashboard, click on Create and select Kindle Vella Story. Enter your story title, author name, and story description. Just simply upload a square story cover which is 1600 pixel. Step 4 is to publish your first episode. Click on Create New Episode or Set up Episode Title and then click on the Publish or just simply save as draft. Step 5 is to finalizing and publishing. Your first 3 episodes are free for readers. Set token pricing for later episodes. Click Publish and wait for Amazon's review. That's it. Now you're ready to publish your stories on Kindle Vella and reach a new readers. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.